Hello, this is the technician from Racing Channel. We are located in Sriracha, Chonburi, and we have only one branch here in Sriracha. Today, we are with the Civic EF. This is our regular task. My brother asked me to change the air vent light, but I'm not sure how to do it. We'll take it apart slowly. From what I can see, we should probably remove these parts first. I'm not sure if there are any screws up top, so let's check as we go along. Look, I see there's a screw right here. Let's take this one out first, and we can figure out the rest later. My old Civic EF is a hassle, especially removing the air vent. There should be access from both sides to lift it out easily. Here, there is a screw right here, and there's another one right here. There are a total of 3 screws on each side. Once that's done, it can be removed easily. About this much. Let me try it out first, but down there will be wires too. Let's see. What is it? The lock is already out. Okay, I need to remove this part first. Don't remove it, just place it aside. Done. Remove this. Let me take out the radio first. It's done now, brother. This morning, I went to wait for some grilled pork. Oh, this morning, I went driving with my brother and stopped to buy something behind the house. I drove to eat at an old restaurant that I used to go to often. Back when I lived at my old house, I would stop by to buy things often too. So today, since I woke up early, I decided to go. I ate again, brother. 6 skewers of grilled pork, and the sticker came off. Now let's remove the radio first. There are 2 cars here. Once the radio is taken out, it will be clear, and then he will press this down. Here, it's going to come off, right? Oh, there are a few screws at the back. How many are there? They're right here, inside, just like in my Civic EF. This screw. Here looks like this, right? It's not like the ones from the house, see? It's like this. It's a mood. Huh? Hey, let's see the light bulb. Oh, this thing of yours is broken. The air vent adjuster is broken, and it's going to cost money. The light bulb in front today? Here it is. Here you can just twist it. Yes, there's this one plug, and then there's this other one. You can twist both with your hand, and they will come off easily. Here's the 5th light bulb. There is only one more below, so there are just 2 light bulbs. Let me turn it first because it's quite difficult to turn. Wait at 5, okay? The old light bulb was like this. Just a moment. I'll change it and put in the LED. Do you see? Here, I'm turning on the light now. We just push it in. Like this. Do you see the light coming on here? And there's another one down below. The wiring down there is tight. Oh, it's just one connection. The wire is a bit tight. And since the bulb is long, it can be a bit tricky to fit. Where's the hole? It's right here. Let's use the same spot. Now let me try turning off the light. Can you see it? Oh, okay. It will be much brighter. Return the wires, please. Let's loosen this part first. After returning the 3 wires, sell them downstairs, okay? Don't forget. And once we're done, we'll put the radio back in. It's all rough and tangled up. It's all done now. This is the air conditioning light. You see, it's brighter now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is Nad Red Shop Technician, and the contact information is below. Thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.